Our next contestant is Leo Wayne from MICA AI. MICA is developing a solution to identify breast cancer at early stages. Good luck, Leo.
Hi, everyone. My name is Leo Wayne. I'm the CEO and co-founder of MICA AI Medical. Half of the population are women, but let's start with one. I would like to introduce you a good friend of mine. Her name is Hagit. I know Hagit for a long time. And when she turned 40, she took her first mammography as recommended by the health organizations. And she came every 2 years as recommended. When she turned 44, unfortunately, she was found with breast cancer stage 4. For her, it was almost too late. But the first question came to her head was, how come they didn't find it before? And when we heard the answer, we were shocked. We understood that radiologists facing 800 images a day. That means there is a big room for mistakes and mismatch. Few years later, I was in the end of the world, as we say in Hebrew, Sof Ha'olam Smola, in a place called Liberia. I assume that no one had the opportunity to be there, but I took an internal flight from A to B. When I saw the small airplane, I was shocked. When I saw the pilot, I started to laugh. I had a good guess that we won't make it. And when I look out of the window, I realize that this is exactly the same story. How does the pilot can see behind the clouds? It's exactly how does the radiologist can see behind those clouds. And this is how MICA came into the table. MICA can clean any dense breast tissue that comes out of the mammography. Half of the women have a dense breast tissue, which means that if I will ask here women that took mammography, they will say, yeah, we did mammography, but we also took ultrasound or MR. Why? Because half of the women have a dense breast tissue, as we can see on the left side. What MICA can do by using AI, and by that reducing the uses of contrast agent, injections, MR, or ultrasound, we can clean the image and provide a clean image to the radiologist, only by using AI. And provides them the risk score within a second. And we know that the platform is efficient since we already Israeli AMAR certified, also in Latin America we use the platform, and we are about to complete the US FDA very soon, class 2 510K, and proved that the platform reduced the unnecessary biopsies and invasive procedures by 40%. And this is one of the only cases that this is a win-win-win-win situation to everybody. Everyone can save money, make more money, reduce invasive procedure, reduce unnecessary checkups, and by that be more efficient and saves more lives. Our business model is based on B2B. We already signed in agreements in Israel and abroad. We work with few US-based hospitals, with few EU hospitals, and we have already aligned with existing CPT codes in the States for screening and diagnostic. Yes, there are competitors. Some of them are big, some of them are really already did it, but MICA is the only one that can clean the images by AI and provides a risk score also by using AI. Hagit won. Actually, she won, and we want to bring and take our technology to other women and save and reduce risks and pain. I want to use the stage and say thank you to our amazing, very vast experience and gender and our team. And we work with radiologists from all over the world. One of the leading ones is Professor Lip from the UK NHS. So I encourage you to join us and help us take it to all other women in Wonder Globe. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Leo. Judges, any question you'd like to refer to Leo?
First, we have a huge amount of data, anonymized. And as part of the data, we have all the cycle, which means we have the checkups, we have the pathology and the results. So we always compare with the pathology results as a ground truth. That's how we can align with the real results. And currently our AUC, it's 90, which means very high. It's a good question. Currently, let's start with financial issues. Standard mammo in the state, it's about 150, 200 USD. Ultrasound, 600 up to 800. MR, 800 up to 3,000. The accuracy of mammography, it's higher than ultrasound, but based on that mammography can't see behind that foggy tissue, and we can allow that. So in most of the cases, we will be able to save those costs. Also, by reducing the uses of contrast material and double screening and radiation, the radiologist, the payer, the insurance will have a good reason why to use our technology. Having said that, in the cases that we will want to replace those double screening, we will be a smart guidance for the radiologists. Do not miss the hidden lesions by using our technology. Yeah, so far we started sales in Israel and also in Latin America. We already signed agreement with GE, one of the leading players in our arena. And based on that, we plan to complete a few installations in Latin America and together with them go to the US market.